evening, a little breezy on the beach. Tide is going out, and we are going to head on down to Lighthouse Point right around the corner here. I do have some exciting news. I just wanted to thank you guys all so much for your support. I have received incredible feedback from the videos, especially as of late. A lot of you are at home, a lot of you aren't able to work, you're stuck at home, you're stuck inside, being responsible and staying at home. And I also know a lot of you have had to cancel your trips and your vacation, and I know how hard that is. I have received quite a bit of messages and feedback asking for more content, more consistent videos, and so I would like to give that to you guys. I'm still going to be offering content here on YouTube, but I am going to be starting a virtual shelling network, and it is going to be at patreon.com/virtual shelling. So if you would like to join, it's going to be super fun. You will have exclusive content. So I will be doing multiple videos a month, virtual shelling, tutorials, all kinds of educational beach videos that I've always done. So I'm going to be continuing that to you guys. So please go to www.patreon, that's patreon.com/virtual shelling, and you will be able to sign up as a subscription to virtual shelling videos. The other fun thing that I'm going to be offering is a subscription, monthly subscription to a beach treasure box. And I know that I've had a lot of requests for this as well, and I've been talking about doing this for a year and put a lot of planning into this. So what it's going to be is a monthly subscription. You will not only receive the content for the virtual shelling videos, but monthly you will be receiving a box of beach treasures shipped right to your door, which is going to be very exciting for many of you. I don't know anybody who wouldn't love to get some seashells, maybe some sea glass, maybe a piece of driftwood, maybe some shark teeth. Who knows what I'll be putting in these fun boxes. So, oh, birds, sandpipers. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. But if you would like more information, please head on over to patreon.com/virtual shelling. And I will be putting this video up as the very first content video exclusively for Patreon subscribers. So if you'd like to head on over there, you can watch the rest of this fun video. We are going to go explore down at Lighthouse Point. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I'm excited to bring even more virtual shelling to you wherever you are. So stay safe, and let's get shelling.